right, coming down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Set her down gently. All right, pull it up slow. Watch the left chain. Clear the area underneath.
With the survey underway, drones scan the rusted hull while divers work quickly to secure the primary lifting points for recovery.
Cable secured and checked.
Chains are connected.
Roger that. Lowering the main hook now, watch the seabed contact.
Swing it left. Hold it steady now. All right, easy down, easy down. All right, coming down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Set her down gently. All right, pull it up slow. Watch the left chain. Clear the area underneath.
Broken tank tracks are replaced with restored steel track segments. Workers use hydraulic tools to reconnect the heavy metal links.
Firpula. Technicians carefully remove the ancient tank engine, beginning the restoration of the gears and surfaces and pistons.
The tank hull is sandblasted and coated with primer. Fresh military paint is applied, restoring the historic appearance.
After all this time, we finally brought her back. The Lost War Machine returns!
To the Lost War Machine! Hey!